Greetings everyone. For the first time in long times when it comes to electric vehicles, Toyota and Tesla are on the same side. They accuse Biden's EV tax credit on putting unions over the environment. Consumers get full credit only if they buy union-built cars. White House says it wants to save middle-class jobs and the planet. Welcome back, friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news and give us thumbs up, please. So President Biden says he wants to save the planet and save union jobs. The electric vehicle tax credit in his social spending package shows how those aims can sometimes conflicts, note Wall Street Journal. The proposal being negotiated by House and Senate Democrats gives consumers the full $12,500 tax write-off only if they buy electric vehicles assembled by union workers using American-built batteries. Automobiles produced in non-union factories would qualify for $4,500 less. Michigan Democrat, Republican Dan Kiddy, and Senator Debbie Stabenow wrote the electric vehicle tax credit after collaborating with the Union Auto Workers, UAW, and General Motors about the importance of including an explicitly pro-union component, according to Mr. Kildee. Wall Street Journal reports, and I will have the link of Wall Street in the description of this video. The labor-friendly provision has touched off a fierce lobbying battle by Tesla, Toyota, and other non-union auto companies that say Mr. Biden is betraying the environment to help a political ally, the United Auto Workers. This is the first time I see for a long time that Toyota and Tesla are on the same side. Biden is a UAW puppet. Tesla chief executive Elon Musk wrote on Twitter, replying to a tweet about EV tax credit. Wall Street Journal reports Tesla, the world's biggest electric vehicle maker, didn't respond to a request for comments from Wall Street on that. Environmental groups, including the Sierra Club and the climate policy think tank Energy Innovation, are supportive of the pro-union approach, saying they respect that Mr. Biden is trying to balance several missions in the social spending plan. Now, let's not play politics with the environment. Toyota says in a full-page national newspaper ads. Again, Wall Street Journal reports. Auto Drive America, a trade group representing foreign-based car companies, recently aired television ads saying Congress is at it again. They are pushing a sweetheart deal that rewards unions at the expense of the environment and consumer choice. But things may change. Republicans are expected to ask the Senate parliamentarian to strip the union-related tax incentives from the bill, arguing that they run afoul of Senate rules requiring spending to have a meaningful fiscal impact that is more than merely incidental to the policy proposal. Does that mean if this succeeds, Tesla also will qualify for $12,500 credit? I believe this plan also has a $500 credit if the battery is built in the United States. So I will have the link of the reference of the Wall Street Journal's coverage in the description of this video. Let me know your thoughts, friends. Do you agree with this or no, with the Biden administration's approach on Tesla and Toyota? This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla electric vehicle news coverage. Give us thumbs up if you found this report important and informative. And God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you. And let's move on to our next Tesla or EV coverage. There is good news for Tesla. There is new material that allows electric vehicle batteries to charge 10 times faster. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Subscribe to our channel so you know more about these things. Fast charging capability of energy storage devices is essential for Tesla and other automakers regarding vehicle and power grid applications. Faster charging and discharging or higher energy density leading to more compact and lighter batteries. There is often a kind of balance between the two. Not all cars or batteries are ready for this, which is why new materials are necessary and are being sought all over the world to allow fast charging. In fact, this morning I just reported another news that fast charging by Ford, that a cable allows 5-minute charging, but there is new news. Researchers at the University of Twente in Netherlands have developed an experimental lithium-ion battery cell that uses for the first time an entirely new material called nickel niobate as a new intrinsic high-speed anode material. According to the researcher, the novel electrode design allows, look at this, charging 10 times faster than current devices. 10 times faster car charging. The new material, nickel niobate, appears to have very attractive properties, and even after many ultra-fast charge cycles, it returns to its original level. Nickel niobate has an attractive open and regular crystal structure with identical and repeating channels for transporting the charge. The research team tested the first complete battery cells with the new nickel niobate materials. By the way, I will have the researchers' excerpt in the description of this video and from Torque News. The results showed that batteries with the new anode offered ultra-fast charging speeds of 10 times faster than current lithium-ion batteries with the standard anode material graphite. Nickel niobate is also more compact than graphite, thus having a higher volumetric energy density. The team also reports that the new material has a high capacity of about 244 milliamp hour, and its capacity remains 81% after 20,000 cycles. As for Tesla batteries, although there is still some time to see the 4680 battery cells on the market, Tesla intends to install them in its models produced in Giga Berlin factory with interesting improvements. The 4680 battery cells promise 6 times more power and 5 times more capacity than the 2170 battery cells currently used by Tesla, which along with the 18650 cells are the most common today. The use of these larger cells will make it possible to increase the energy density of the batteries, maintaining manufacturing costs reasonable as compared to today's costs, which will mean a reduction in the price of batteries in general, and therefore in the reduction of price of electric cars, hopefully, if grid doesn't take over of decision makers. Going back to the nickel niobate batteries, the researchers concluded that this version would be ideal for introducing it into an energy grid and electrically powered machines that require fast charge and discharge cycles, or in electrically powered heavy transport like Tesla Semi. For using it in electrically powered cars like Model 3 and Model Y, some steps still have to be taken. The new anode will also work for alternatives for lithium research. Research leader Professor Mike Wichben said in the press release. This is in detail reported by Nico Caballero of Torque News Tesla reporting team, and the paper was published yesterday, November 15th, in Advanced Energy Materials. So this is really new development. Friends, let me know your thoughts on this new charging possibility that can charge your Tesla on an electric vehicle 10 times faster than what we have today. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel. Give us thumbs up if you found this report interesting. Share in social media and also give us thumbs up. And also let's move on to the next story. And there is a lot of interesting stories today. God bless you everyone. Peace be with all of you. Let's look at our next Tesla story.